Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be opening up my January Play by Sephora box. This is the first Sephora Play box for the year. So if you're interested in knowing what I got as well as seeing me apply it, then keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. So when you open up the box, the pamphlet is very horoscopy. Yeah, it says your 2019 beauty scope, and it has every sign. So I am a Capricorn. It says Capricorns put focus on long-term goals and getting ahead no matter what obstacles might stand in the way. But you're not all business. You also like to party. Keep a vibrant lipstick on hand for when it's time to let loose. I don't know about that. You guys know that I am not a very vibrant lipstick kind of girl. But interesting. Okay, so there's two products I'm actually gonna be able to put on my face. I feel like I say this every single month. I wish they would include more makeup in this box. They used to, but they just don't really anymore. So the first thing is from Smashbox. I've actually been wanting to try this. It's the primer water. It says Photo Finish Primer Water Set and Refresh Spray. So inside the pamphlet, it says a lightweight primer that hydrates, refreshes, and preps skin for makeup. Okay, so let's try this out. Okay, I don't know if I'm supposed to rub it in or not. It doesn't say that I am, but the spray is thick enough that I feel like I have like water droplets on my face that I like need to rub in. So I'm just gonna kind of pat it in. I wonder if the actual packaging sprayer is like that or not, because that is like an aggressive sprayer, which a lot of times that's how it is for like sample size packaging. So who knows, but I cannot just leave water droplets like that on my face. So I'm going to do the rest of my makeup until the next product, and then I will be right back. Okay, so I finished up the rest of my makeup except for my lip product because I do have one in here. But before I get to that, I have to say I totally lied. This is not the product that I wanted to try out. What I want to try out is the primerizer, which is the primer moisturizer in one. This is the primer water. So just want to clear that up. This is not the product I was looking to try out, so whatever. Either way, the rest of my makeup sat on top of it nicely. It almost felt like it was like mattifying, which is interesting because it doesn't say that it is, but I feel like my makeup looks much more matte than it normally does. And I don't know if it's the primer or not, but there was nothing else that I had tried that was supposed to be mattifying. So let's move on to the lip product. It is from Bite Beauty, and this is the matte cream lip crayon in Glacé, I guess. This says line your lips, then fill in the center. Tip, sharpen as needed and use the shavings to add color to your cheeks. That's not a bad tip, but I can't imagine myself ever actually doing that. So this is what it looks like. The color looks really nice. Let's go ahead and apply this. Okay, so this is the color. It's a super comfortable matte, which I like. Like, I can still rub my lips together, and I feel like this is something I would actually wear. I love Bite's lip products. They just have absolutely amazing quality in their lip products. So I'm excited about this, and I feel like this is a really good color for winter. This is a color that I feel like is bolder than my normal, but one that I would actually wear. All right, let's take a look at everything else that's in the box this month. The next thing in the box is from Origins. I have a major bone to pick with Sephora on this one. So this is one of my favorite masks. I love this. I've gone through multiple tubes of it. I have a backup. I have one that's almost gone. I have a full-size backup too, but they advertise the Play by Sephora box as deluxe sample sizes that you get. This is a lie. This is not a deluxe sample size. This is the full size. This is a deluxe sample size. And then this is the one that we got in the box this month. So this is 0.5 ounces, this is 1 ounce, and then this one is 3.4 ounces. I'm not saying put a full-size one in there, but I mean, they're giving us half of what the actual deluxe sample size one is. So I just feel like the sizes are getting smaller, and I just don't understand why. And this is one of those things that you get twice as much product in a little bit of a bigger one so that you can try out the mask more times and actually decide if you would want to buy the full size one or not. You're not gonna be able to really tell after using the mask. You can probably get like 2 uses out of this. You're not gonna be able to tell how the product performs that quickly, especially for a skincare type product. So that's my bone to pick with them. Either way, it's an amazing, amazing mask. I included this in my like 5 favorite masks of all time video, something like that, which I can link up here for you guys. I also have a best and worst of Origins video, which is, this is included in there. I break down a lot of my favorite masks in that video, and Origins masks are just outstanding, but this one is really good if you have acne prone skin. Activated charcoal kind of pulls out all the gunk out of your pores. So this is absolutely amazing, but they could have given us a little bit more product. The next thing in the mask is from Laneige. This is the water sleeping mask, which is actually something that I have been wanting to try. So I am excited about this. This is a pretty small little package. But we will see. I'm definitely gonna try this out. I will keep you guys updated on it. Yeah, the packaging is actually really cute though, and this is a brand that I've been really, really curious about, so I'm excited to be able to try it out. Next in the box is from Hum. This is another one of those products that I have an issue with. This is the Daily Cleanse. Helps clear your skin and body from toxins. It's a dietary supplement, and this is a 3-day sample. Like, in 3 days, taking a dietary supplement is not gonna do anything for you. You have to try it for at least 30 days to see if your body reacts to it and just what the actual outcome is. So this, I just think, is kind of pointless to include in the box. And then last but not least, this is the Mara Jo Hair Care. I've never heard of this brand, but this is a nourishing cleansing cream and deep treatment butter. These shampoo and conditioner samples I like to take when I'm traveling because usually there's enough to get a few uses out of it, and it's something that I don't mind throwing out at the end of it. And if I'm living my daily life, I don't generally throw this into my shower. So this is a good thing to just be able to pack less but still be able to bring a hopefully quality product with you. Alrighty guys, those are all of the products in this month's box. Really the only thing that I'm super excited about is the Bite Lip Pencil Crayon thing. This Origins mask, I love this mask, so I'm never gonna say no to receiving it, but they certainly could have given us the actual deluxe sample size. And then of course, I still wanna try the primerizer. I think I just need to buy it and try it. But the primer water, I didn't think it was bad. I definitely feel more matte though, so I don't know what that is all about. I am excited to try the Laneige too. So I guess these two are the products that I'm the most excited about. I say this every single month. I'm gonna say it again this month. I wish they would include more makeup in these boxes. I wanna try out new makeup, and stuff like this dietary supplement for 3 days is just not something that I'm gonna be able to tell if it's something I would want to buy or not. So those are my thoughts. That is everything for this video. Let me know down below if you get this box. Did you get the same things I got? Are you excited about it? Do you hate it? Do you love it? Let me know all the things down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.